Top tips for writing an essay. Use your prompts well. Reading list, use your reading list, use your lectures, think, use your seminars to test your thought, and then use the office hours to refine that even further. So, reading list. It's a guide. Use it well. There are essential texts that you need to know about. Think about them. What are the themes they're picking out broadly? Then use the suggested reading list according to what you're interested in, and go beyond that. So use the footnotes, use the references within the text. They're giving you indications of the wider debate. They're engaging with other academics, other thought about the same topics. It may not be that particular book, but it will be based on a broader theme that that book is situated within. All themes from that book are situated within. Lectures. Listen to your lecturers. They are giving you clues, unanswered questions. Think about those. They're avenues for research. They're giving it away to you. It's on a platter. So think about how that relates, those questions, to your wider reading, to the reading list that they've given you already. If you go into the lectures having prepared by reading the reading list, or wider, even wider, you can have a better understanding of what the lecturers are talking about and feel much more comfortable with the material. Think. I can't exaggerate enough how important it is to think. So even if you've read this text at A-level or GCSE, try reading it again and thinking about it differently. Think about the themes and how they situate within a different academic audience. You're writing for a different audience now. Seminars. Seminars are your opportunity to test your thoughts. So use them. Use your peers. Use your seminar leaders. They're there for you. Test your ideas on them, see what they think about them, see what other people are saying about their own ideas. Does that contribute to what you've thought about? Does it engage with the wider debate? Does it engage with the framework that you've already looked at? How do they relate to the lectures? Bring those unanswered questions into your seminars so you can sort of clear up your understanding and really refine your thought and the areas that you want to focus on. Think about themes in your seminars. What are other people talking about? And why are they talking about it? That is how debate works and how that framework is working. Office hours. Use your lecturers' office hours. They're there for you. They want to talk to you. They publish their times on their doors usually, or probably online as well. So use them constructively. Go and see them with a plan. This is the last point of call. Like you've used your reading list, you've used your lectures. You've had time to think about it, and you've tested your ideas in your seminars. Now you've really started to refine what you're going to write about. So go to your lecturers' office hours with a plan. They'll be much better prepared to answer your questions and tell you how well you're doing if you go with something in your hand. Now you've used your reading list. You've gone beyond your reading list using the footnotes and references, the existing debate within those texts. You've used the academic databases and journals to extend your reading on your own independently. You've listened to your lecturers speak, you've heard their ideas, what they have to say about those broader themes and the avenues for research that they've suggested to you. You've had time to think about all of this business going on. You've tested that thought within your seminars, and you've gone to your office hours with a structure, an idea about structure. So now it's time to write. So just write a lot, write all the time, because then you'll really work out what you're missing, what you need to add, what you think you've done really well, which is really encouraging. You always need to remember to do that. And it gives you time to really form what it is you've done with good, clear writing and coherent structure.